What's a Jehovah's Witness favorite band? The Doors. You're welcome. All right, let's get that on the ladder.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll move some of this stuff because it might be in the way when we put the staging. Peek.
Peek. You need a chalk line.
All right, I guess I could look for that.
Let's do a mark and then we'll chalk it.
All right. Chalk-a-lock it. So you want, where do I go, to the bottom or the top of that thing?
Bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, if you went to the top, you would see it. You would see the 2x4, right? You wouldn't want to see it.
Oh yeah, right. Here. I walk up all confident and then I get close to the top and panic.
Good?
Sec. Yep. Yep. It's right level with the bottom.
Yep.
Yep.
We're just going to run the J strip, or the F trim right there. This could be.
Interesting.
We should probably.
Move that. There's stuff in it.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, I just seen. So
Oh, I probably threw that on there so it.
Maybe these are the pieces you were looking for?
No, I just threw it on there so it didn't blow away. I took that out of the back of the truck when we went somewhere.
Oh.
What did we pick up recently?
I don't remember. It's just the staging, but that wouldn't make sense, so. Maybe it was the staging.
No, I think it was, yeah.
Guess it does make sense.
Oh, it almost hit me in the face.
Oh,
Thought you had it.
Oh, no. I didn't.
Probably should have just kept my hand on it. It didn't though. I saw the hook gonna catch it anyway, but
Gee.
I like to live, you know,
Vicariously.
the life on the edge, living on the edge.
Almost got hooked in the face.
Yeah. Ah, my nose broke. Well,
That wasn't a good idea.
push through.
Yeah.
So how do you want to, because you got to go down that hill there.
I don't know. You just tell me.
Do you want to be there on that side?
Yeah, I don't care.
What?
Yeah, I don't care. This side first, you think? What do you
Sure.
think? I don't know.
It's going to be funny. Might not be that bad. I don't know.
Might not be that good. Well, this is awkward.
Is this still square?
Yeah, I think so. I'm going this way, right? Still.
Yeah.
Well, that's all right. There.
There, done.
Call
Throw a
it
deck on it.
safe.
Grab this rigging.
Chicken.
Bring it out past. Don't hook it. Don't hook it.
Don't hook it?
No, because I won't be able to get mine on if you hook
Oh. Well, look at that. It's flush.
it. That's pretty close.
Good enough. You're safe. Feels solid. Just on a mad angle.
Or we just bring this other one down. Yeah, go up. You can. Call
Well,
it
that good.
It's not that bad.
Pretty solid. You're not gonna be up there dancing.
I might
Yeah.
be up there dancing.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Yeah! Oh, okay. That's awesome. My roof or stripper? If you do, then you might fall.
Well, I want to make it strong enough that I can dance.
Yeah. Should I stand right here and hold it? I can hold
Oh,
the
where's
whole stage, you imagine. I got your belt right here with all the screws.
Put it on me.
Yeah. Do put it on me.
This is a family program. It's a little sketchy. That's what happens when you don't level it good though. I see it comes up. See that?
Whole thing flips over.
Yep, probably will. Dead.
Hey! I'll grab the lighter.
You got a few more? Thanks. Right there. They'll add that special flavor to the s'mores. Okay?
Looks good.
I think we can cook them now.
Yeah.
Don't need much of a fire.
No, I'll go grab the stuff, I guess.
Do we have the pokers here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we do. We're using them in the cooking hot dogs in the thing.
Yeah. Yoo-hoo.
I'm really looking forward to one of these.
Arrow s'more.
Yeah, I know, right? We're using the bird table anyway. We gotta bring a picnic table back.
I'll get the cookies ready. They don't poop on it.
A little bit brown, right? Sam?
Do you like the cracker? Oh, dang me.
Nice. Is it good?
That's good.
All right.
Time to move some staging.
Want to grab it or?
No.
I'm tired now.
Yeah,
Hey.
shouldn't have ate s'mores.
Need another coffee.
Okay, see that little, where is it? That little line. Yeah, so, yeah. So draw a line there. Draw a line right out like that, yeah. There, like that. Now I'll get this. Hold on. Watch out. Almost took your head off. Now follow the ruler. There. Thank you. Now we cut. There you go. Hold on. Hold up. Whoop.
What the? Oh, there's a broken wrist. Nice to know.
Oh, gee.
What the hell are you
Dropping
doing?
it. I had to rearrange. Oh, it's pretty close to square.
And that's why we cut with snips. Make sure you keep your wrist strong.
Yeah. Oh, golly. Isn't he?
You're gonna need one little piece of F trim too.
Yeah, I know.
I could give you a measurement.
Yeah, I'd prefer if you didn't, but sure. I brought the measuring tape over.
Make it.
You're welcome.
I'll need a 2x4.
Okay.
Hey?
Yep. All right, bud.
Hey. There's this.
What am I doing again? I forget.
You just hold it out till we get it in place. Am I at it? I can't see, so you gotta have it so I'm coming to wood to it.
Oh, there, come a little my way. Yeah, perfect.
All right. Sure sounds like a dying battery. We have that 33 1/4 of that F trim.
Yeah.
We have, remember a piece we've been cutting off of?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna need those cutters, freaking. There's a reason I wanted them.
Oh, okay. 1 minute.
To cut that bottom little strip off.
Oh, right. Love and marriage. That's what just came to my head when you whistled.
Brother, you can't have one without the other.
Can you tell me, what is it, brother?
You can't have one without the
The other.
other. It's definitely not a how to do this. But it works. So it don't matter. Well, there's a little bit more done.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so what we're doing today, why we're stopping now,
Yeah.
is that fishing season started a couple days ago, and also today is first day of spring bear hunt. So we're gonna go do both,
Yeah.
really.
We'll just go on the side-by-side out to the lake and take the gun with us.
Lake.
Well, the river,
Yeah.
whatever. We're gonna go to the
It's a
river
brook.
on the bike and take the gun with us.
Yeah, so
Let's see.
you know, we'll see. Yeah,
You might just see a moose, but we usually
We'll definitely
almost
see-
always see moose
we'll
up
see
there. It's
probably
real
multiple,
cool.
probably multiple moose.
Yeah, but maybe we'll see a bear too. It'll be cool.
Yeah, so that's where we're going.
We had a fun day though. It was so nice out today. It was nice to get outside. Anyway, yeah, let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing and bear hunting, hey?
And if you wanna, do you wanna come on my tour for the ditch?
Yeah. All right, let's go.
All right, let's see this tour. Feels like we're in a war trench. We're gonna fight. Watch your step. That's a funky tree.
You can use it as a chair.
Well, that is a cool tree.
We call it our chair tree.
Look, you can see where the woodpecker's been working at it. Cool tour. Hello. What's up, guys? You guys are lucky. It's bear season. That's a bigger one there, eh? You guys have a good one. Oh, there he goes. I'm out. Peace out. Get with my buddy. Oh no, not as big now that it gets there. All right, we'll leave you be. Not bear tracks. Moose tracks. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's got his ears there. You can see him through the brush a bit. Have a good night.
Cute with big ears. Bye bye.